Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 update stuck at 100% error. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. Type a command is net space stop space WUAUSERV and press enter. After that, type a command is net space stop space crypt svc and press enter. After that, type a command is net space stop space bits. After that, type a command is net space stop space msi server and press enter. After that, type a command is run c column backslash windows backslash software distribution space software distribution.old and press enter. After that, type a command is run c column backslash windows backslash soft system 32 column backslash cat root 2 space cat root 2.old and press enter. After that, type a command is net space start space WUAUSERV and press enter. After that, type a command is net space start space crypt svc and press enter. After that, type a command is net space start space bits. After that, type a command is net space start space msi server and press enter. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method that open any browser and go to your Google search engine. After that, type a Windows 11 download. Click as the first link is Windows 11 download. After that, download Windows 11 installation assistant and download and install in your PC. I have download and install it my PC, and I have already used the latest version, so I have not need. So after downloading and install in your PC, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed.